everybody! If you'll notice, I have face paint on like normal, but that's not my hand. And you can tell because it's much darker than mine.
Hi!
Frankie's doing my makeup. I'm not scared at all. Oh no, I'm dripping. There you go, buddy. So yeah, we're in...
Happy trees.
Happy trees. We're in hour 10 of Extra Life so far out of 26 hours. So good touch. We have broken the $2,000 mark. So we're less than 1,000 away from pieing all of ourselves in the face. And only about 3,000 away from shaving off Frankie and Swayze's beards. We've done a whole bunch of glitter beards today. Frankie's taken his off. In fact, he shook it out over Blythe's head. We've dyed Blythe's hair blue. We have done a Burn or Bliss challenge already.
That was delightful.
Oh my gosh, I was one of the people that got one of the spicy ones.
I've done 2.
Yeah, he's done 2. Charlie very sneakily added him and Littlebeard to a secondary one just for them, and they both got milk chocolate. No, you were just fine. Yeah, no, ridiculous. They got Clean Bill's chocolate both times. I've been upping my spicy game on myself for the last couple of weeks, trying to prepare for this, and I was not. I was nowhere near prepared.
I did the ghost pepper bubblegum, though.
You did do the ghost pepper bubblegum.
You're fine. You keep going. I got this.
I don't have control issues.
I'm not going to poke you in the eye or something.
I don't care. No, I believe in you, buddy.
Should I be going, like, all one direction to get, like, strokes?
You're going to be going over it with the eyeshadows.
Okay.
So that's actually what I always recommend eyeshadows for after you put face paint on.
Mm-hmm.
Is that you do the face paint and then you put eyeshadow over top of it. That way you can blend better and get rid of the streaks. Hello, you guys. Hello, Megan Covey. Hello, Becky. Hello, Lori. So just so you guys know, we are still going on our Twitch channel doing our Extra Life thing. I am currently getting my face painted. Blythe is currently on the gaming channel playing Silent Hill, and me and Blythe are big babies when it comes to scary stuff, so it's not our thing, man. At 9 p.m. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
I just hear you, like, stifling giggles. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
At 9 p.m. we will be launching 2 things of Jackbox Party Packs. One of which will be Celebrity Jackbox. The other one will be regular Jackbox. To play Celebrity Jackbox with voice actress Jessica Cavallo is, don't laugh at me because I can't say names.
No, I'm laughing because I'm, like, super close and I'm awkward. Do you have to get this close to people when you do makeup?
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
Okay.
If you'll notice, when I did your glitter beard earlier, I had my hand, like, on top of your head. I literally had you like this. Sorry, like this for you guys. I forgot you guys were here. But yeah, no, it's been a crazy time. So if you want to play it with just some of us and don't have a lot to donate, come donate $1 and come play with us on Jackbox. But if you want to play with voice actress Jessica Cavallo, she is one of the
Sorry.
She's one of the voice actresses from Attack on Titan.
Go ahead.
Alright. But yeah, no, she is... It's going to be a good time. And we're going to be playing that from 9 to 11. So, egg salad. And then on top of that, we have a whole bunch... We have a Burner Bliss challenge coming up. We have...
Oh, another one?
Yeah, at midnight.
Oh, okay.
You are going to be playing WoW for an hour at 11.
Yep.
I will be doing a blindfolded makeup challenge when Charlie wakes up.
I don't know how low I need to go, but I think I'm fine.
You don't need to do the neck if you don't want to. I mean, half the time I don't.
My father's here and he donated.
You're doing a great job, babe.
No, that's Alicia.
Still, you're doing a great job, babe.
Yay.
There you go. You impressed the girlfriend. That's what matters. But yeah, guys, you should pop over to our Twitch channel and come join in with us because there's a whole bunch of crazy stuff we've been doing. You can donate to spin the challenge wheel. We'll go do it. We've done a whole bunch of them today, and I added a whole bunch of stuff last minute because I went to the Asian market and got a whole bunch of $1 items from the Asian market that we had no idea what they were. So there's a lot you guys can donate for. But yeah, come see us there, twitch.tv/Children of Proteus, and we will see you there. We love you. Goodbye.